In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Start menu not working on Windows 11. If you've been having trouble accessing your Start menu, you're in the right place. We're going to go over a couple of straightforward methods to get things up and running again. So let's jump right in and resolve this issue together. First things first, we're going to try restarting Windows Explorer. Sometimes the Start menu doesn't respond because Windows Explorer needs a little reset. To do this, you'll need to open the Task Manager. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus the ESC on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut will bring up the Task Manager window. Once you're there, direct your attention to the Processes tab. Look through the list of processes until you find Windows Explorer. If you found it, go ahead and right-click on it. A menu will pop up, and from there, you'll see the option to restart. Click on Restart, and what this does is essentially refresh Windows Explorer, which can often solve minor glitches and issues like the Start menu not working. Now, after doing this, give your Start menu another try. Check to see if it's functional. If this fixed your issue, that's wonderful. If not, don't worry. We have another step to try. The next method involves signing out of your Windows account and then signing back in. Although it might seem simple, this action can effectively reset user-specific settings, which might be causing the Start menu to malfunction. To sign out, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete together. This will bring up a list of options, one of which is to sign out. Click on Sign Out, and Windows will log you out of your current session. Now take a moment to sign back into your Windows account as you normally would. Once you're back in, go ahead and test the Start menu again. Many users find that this step resolves their issue, as logging out and back in can clear temporary glitches in your personal settings. In most cases, these two methods can solve the problem of an unresponsive or malfunctioning Start menu in Windows 11. If neither of these solutions worked for you, there could be other underlying issues with your system that might require more advanced troubleshooting steps. But before you explore those options, make sure to try these fixes first, as they often resolve the problem quickly and easily. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you get your Start menu working again. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful tech tips in the future. Have a great day, and see you next time.